Last lecture we see the integrals of the type integration of a sin x plus b cos x divided by c sin x plus d cos x dx. Solution of this type of examples, and today we have to see the integrals of the type integration of a into e raised to x plus b by c into e raised to x plus d dx. For this type we put numerator equal to a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. Then numerator a into e raised to x plus b is equal to a into denominator c into e raised to x plus d plus b into derivative of c into e raised to x plus d. Then we have to put integration I is equal to integration of, in place of numerator we have to put a into c into e raised to x plus d plus b derivative of denominator c into e raised to x plus d divided by denominator c into e raised to x plus d dx. For this is equal to a constant separate integration c into e raised to x plus d divided by e raised to x plus d dx plus b. Take integration of d dx of c into e raised to x plus d divided by c into e raised to x d dx. First integration is this term is cancelled, a into integration of 1 dx plus b into which form integration of f dash x upon f of x plus c. Of this type we have to write a into x plus b into log of f of x c into e raised to x plus d plus c. This type of examples we have to solve. Today's lecture, first example, write down, evaluate the following. First example, write down, evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Integration of 4 into e raised to x minus 25 divided by 2 into e raised to x minus 5 dx. In this type of integration we have to write first solution. Let I is equal to integration of 4 into e raised to x minus 25 divided by 2 into e raised to x minus 5 dx. This type of integration we have to solve which method? Numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. We know this type, then we have to solve this example. Numerator is 4 e raised to x minus 25 is equal to a into denominator 2 into e raised to x minus 5 plus b into derivative of denominator 2 into e raised to x minus 5 is equal to a into 2 into e raised to x minus 5 plus b. Derivative of this term is 2 into e raised to x, 2 into e raised to x as it is, minus 0. Derivative of 5 is 0, therefore minus 0. Next we have to solve this bracket. E raised to x plus constant term 2a plus 2b minus a into minus 5 is minus 5a is constant term. LHS will be 4 into e raised to x minus 25. Comparing these sides, we have to compare LHS and RHS. We have to get 2a plus 2b is equal to 4. That is the coefficients of e raised to x, LHS and RHS. And constant term minus 5a is equal to minus 25. Minus 5a is equal to minus 25. That is a is equal to simply 5. Put this value in this equation. 2 into 5 plus 2b equal to 4. That is 2b is equal to which term? 2b is equal to 4 minus 10. 2b is equal to minus 6. Therefore b is equal to minus 3. That is, we have to get two values, constants. A is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. We know this solution. We have to see this solution. Other example, yesterday, a sin x plus b cos x upon c sin x plus d cos x. We have solved this type of examples and we have to calculate the value of a and b. Then we have to write integration I is equal to integration of a. Integration of a is 5 in bracket which term 2 into e raised to x minus 5, right, this term, plus into minus 3 is minus 3b, 2 into e raised to x divided by 2 into e raised to x minus 5 dx. Take separate integration is equal to 5 outside the integration sign, that is constant, 2 e raised to x minus 5 divided by 2 e raised to x minus 5 dx minus 3 integration of 2 into e raised to x divided by 2 into e raised to x minus 5 dx is equal to, this type is integration of f dash x upon f of x dx. That is, the answer is log of f of x plus c. This term is cancelled, therefore 5 integration of 1 dx minus 3, this is log of 2 into e raised to x minus 5 plus c is equal to 5x minus 3 to log of 2 into e raised to x minus 5 plus c. Answer. We have to use which formula in this example? Integration of f dash x divided by f of x dx is equal to log of f of x plus c. Solve this. We have to use this formula and get your answer. This type of examples we have to solve. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Integration of 3 into e raised to 2t plus 5 divided by 4 e raised to 2t minus 5 dt. This example we will solve this type. Next, we are given the exercise number 4.3, some special integrals. Some special integrals. These two types of examples we will solve easily. Which type? First type is integration of a sin x plus b cos x divided by c sin x plus d cos x dx, and second type is integration of a into e raised to x plus b divided by c into e raised to x plus d dx. This type of two examples we have to solve easily. Then we have to write some special integrals. Some special integrals. Some special integrals, expression and substitution. We have to solve examples. In example, we have to get the terms as like a square minus x square, a square plus x square minus a square, root of x, a minus x upon a plus x, root of a plus x upon a minus x. This type of examples we have to substitute this term. This can be written as first a square minus x square. Then we have to substitute x is equal to a sin theta, x is equal to a cos theta. Next, x square plus a square, we have to put x is equal to a tan theta, or write down x is equal to a cot theta. We have to get value x square minus a square. We have to substitute x is equal to a sec theta, or x is equal to a cosec theta. 4. We have to give one terms root of a minus x upon a plus x, or root of a plus x upon a minus x. We have to substitute x is equal to a cos 2 theta. We have to put these substitutions. We have to get the solution of this type of examples. We can show other examples, formulas. Some standard formulae we have to prove that integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx. First formula we have to solve. Again we have to see only this formulae and solve this thing. Prove that integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. We use with substitution formula. Proof. Put. We know the term 1 upon x square plus a square. In x square plus a square we have to substitute x is equal to a tan theta, or x is equal to a cot theta. Therefore we have to put x is equal to a tan theta. Therefore we have to substitute, then take derivative with respect to theta. That is dx is equal to dx is equal to a sec square theta into d theta. We know the x is equal to a tan theta, therefore x by a is equal to tan theta. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Therefore I is equal to integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx. We know formula integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx is equal to, we have to substitute the values of integration of 1 upon, in place of x we have to put a tan theta, that is a square tan square theta plus a square as it is. In place of dx, the value of dx is a sec square theta d theta, that is a sec square theta d theta, is equal to integration of a sec square theta upon a square, common term in bracket tan square theta plus 1 d theta, but by trigonometry 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. We have to put this value, then we have to get a cancel, remaining will be a, that is 1 upon a integration of sec square theta upon sec square theta is into d theta, sec square theta is cancelled, remaining will be 1, that is 1 upon a integration of 1 d theta, that is 1 upon a theta plus c. But we know the theta is equal to, we have to calculate tan inverse of x upon a, then put this value in this form, that is 1 upon a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Therefore integration of 1 upon x square plus a square dx is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Similarly, we have solved these formulas. Integration of 1 divided by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Third formula, integration of 1 upon a square minus x square dx, a is constant term, x is variable, we know, 1 upon 2a log of a plus x upon a minus x plus c. Number 4, integration of 1 upon root of a square minus x square dx sin inverse of x by a plus c. Number 5, integration of 1 upon root of a square plus x square dx is log of x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. Of this type, integration of 1 divided by root of x square minus a square dx log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Number 7, integration of 1 upon root x into root of x square minus a square dx is 1 upon a sec inverse x by a plus c. Then we have to solve the examples of these formulas, that is integrals of the type. We have to solve the examples of these types, integrals of the type integration of 1 divided by ax square plus bx plus c dx and 1 divided by root of ax square plus bx plus c. This type of examples we have to convert this type of examples in this form. Which form? A square minus x square, a square plus x square, a x square minus a square, or root of a minus x upon a plus x, or root of a plus x upon a minus x, and this substitution to draw, then we have to calculate this type of examples. First exercise, number 4.1, integrate the following or evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Integration of 1 upon 5x square plus 7 dx. This type of examples, if हा example कुठल्या टाईपचा आहे ते, हा x स्क्वेअर आहे व्हेरिएबल प्लस ही टर्म कॉन्स्टंट आहे म्हणजे x स्क्वेअर प्लस a स्क्वेअर. आता x स्क्वेअर प्लस a स्क्वेअरचा फॉर्म्युला आपल्याला माहित आहे, पहा त्या फॉर्म मध्ये आणायचं आणि तो फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा. वी हॅव टू कन्वर्ट दिस फॉर्म, that is 5x square plus 7 is x square plus a square. Then we have to use formula for integration of 1 divided by x square plus a square dx is which formula? 1 upon a tan inverse of x by a plus c. Therefore we have to convert this example in this form, that is 1I is equal to 1 divided by 5x square plus 7 dx is equal to, we have to take 5 as common because in this form 1 upon x square plus a square, the coefficient of x square is 1. We have to take the coefficient of x square is 1, therefore we have to take 5 as common. Here is equal to integration of 1 divided by 5 in bracket x square plus, we have to take 5 common, that is 7 by 5 dx. Then 1 upon 5 is constant term, take outside the integration sign, 1 upon 5 integration of, we have to convert this example in the form x square plus a square. x square plus a square. Therefore we have to write this example as for x square plus root of 7 by 5 bracket square. That is the type x square plus a square. व्यवस्थित लक्ष द्या पहा. Integration of 1 upon 5x square plus 7 dx. We have to convert this type of example in the x square plus a square form. Therefore the coefficients of x square in this form, which form? Integration of 1 upon x square plus a square is equal to dx 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. We have to use this formula. Therefore this example is converted into this form. That is, the coefficient of x square is 1, x square plus a square. Therefore we have to take 5 as common. Therefore we have to get the value 1 upon 5 common, bracket x square plus 7 by 5 dx. Then we have to take x square plus a square. Therefore we have to given x square plus a. Take a square. That is, we have to write x square plus root of 7 by 5 bracket square. Therefore we have to put this form, this example in this form, right? 1 by 5 as it is, constant of 1 by 5 as it is, into 1 upon a, this 1 upon a. In this example a is equal to root 7 by 5, that is 1 upon root 7 by 5 into tan inverse x by a, x as it is, upon root 7 by 5 plus c, right? Therefore we have to write this as 1 upon root 35 into tan inverse of bracket root 5x divided by root 7 plus c. त्या ठिकाणी रूट 35 कसा लक्षात आलं पण हा 5 म्हणजे रूट 5 इंटू रूट 5. हा रूट 5 वरती गेला, कॅन्सल झाला, एक राहिला, 7 5 35, 5 इंटू 7 is 35. that is 1 upon root 35 tan inverse of root 5 न्यूमरेटरला गेला, root 5 into x as it is divided by root 7 plus c. Therefore I is equal to integration of 1 upon 5x square plus 7 dx is equal to 1 upon root 35 into tan inverse of root 5x divided by root 7 plus c. Your integration of this. We have to use formula x square plus a square. Integration of 1 upon x square plus a square is equal to 1 upon a tan inverse of x by a. For this example we have to, for this form we have to solve this example. Next example, evaluate. Next example, evaluate integration of 1 upon 4x square minus 1 dx. In this form, in this example, which form is in this form? Integration of x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. We will solve this example in this form, and first convert this example in this form. That is integration of 1 divided by 4x square minus 1 dx. We have to calculate integration of 1 divided by 4 is common, x square minus 1 by 4 dx is equal to 1 by 4 constant term. Integration of 1 divided by x square minus 1 by 2 bracket square 1 by 4 dx. 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 bracket square. This is the form x square minus a square. Therefore we have to get answer direct for this form. 1 by 4 as it is, 1 upon 2a, 1 upon 2 into a, which term a, 1 by 2 into log of x minus a, x minus 1 by 2 divided by x plus 2, that is 1 by 2 plus c, right, is equal to which term, 1 by 4, 2 to cancel, into log of 2x minus 1 upon 2x plus 1 plus c, that is the integration of 4x square minus 1 dx is equal to 1 by 4 log of 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 plus c. For this type we have to calculate any examples, evaluate other examples. For this type x square minus a square, we have to convert first in the form x square minus a square, that is the coefficient of x square is 1. Then we have to adjust the term a or value of a and direct use this formula, that is integration of 1 divided by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. This type of examples we have to solve. Example number 1, integration of 1 divided by root of 9 minus 25x square dx. Second example, 1 divided by integration of x square plus 8x plus 20 dx. Next solve integration of number 3, 1 divided by 3 minus 10x minus 25x square dx. Stop here. Thanks.